You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more confusing names, pronunciations that are very confusing, get a lot of people confused, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got tons for you coming up at the end of the video. The British English pronunciation, let's break it down. Petey, yes, P-T, alright, it's not Petey or anything else, Petey. In American English, in the US, it's generally pronounced as Petey. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.